Hello and welcome to Andrew a la carte, the show where I teach you how to cook. Today I'll be showing you a super simple way to cook a salmon fillet and create a delicious tangy sauce to go with it. Let's get started. We'll begin by seasoning our salmon by adding a little bit of olive oil to the outside and then chopping some fresh dill and adding that. Next, season heavily with salt and pepper, and you have some seasoned salmon. To prepare the sauce, we begin by chopping some garlic. We then go and chop some shallots. You can change that for red onion, though I prefer the pungency of shallots and their strength. They'll make our sauce more flavorful. Now head over to the stove and in a skillet with a little bit of olive oil, combine the garlic and shallots and cook them until they are a little bit transparent. Toss them around for just around 30 seconds to a minute or so. Now add in a good glug of white wine and reduce the liquid almost all the way, especially if you're a minor, so that the police don't magically find out that you ingested alcohol and come storming into your house. This is a good time to have a cast iron pan preheating on medium-high for the salmon, which we'll get to after adding a couple of chunks of butter to our sauce and cooking up some sage leaves in it. These will give the sauce great flavor. Now add in your salmon skin side down. If I had a skinless piece, I would put the side that I want to present down, but since this piece has the skin on, I want to make it nice and crispy. You can get the crispiest skin if you start on that side. And if the pan is too hot, the cream will immediately thicken way too much like mine did. I ended up adding a little bit of extra cream to mine after it thickened, just to get it slightly thinner. Finally, you can add the juice of half a lemon to your sauce and mix it around. Lemon goes extremely well with salmon, so I really recommend this. Anyways, with the salmon, I flip it over and let that cook for another 4 to 5 minutes while keeping my sauce warm. And once it's done, it's a good time to plate.